morning, guys. So today is 24. So mamaya, guys, Christmas Eve. And try kong mag-vlog today. Pasensya na kung sobrang lapit, but try kong mag-vlog today, guys. Ano lang ngayon, nakaano ako kasi pupunta kami ng grocery store. Bibili kami ng lulutuin para mamaya. So, try kong dalhin ko kayo kung okay lang ng asawa ko. Kasi alam mo naman, yung asawa ko, conscious pa rin siya, guys. Conscious. Nahihiya pa rin siya na nag-ano ako. Parang siya yung nahihiya, charot. But anyway, magre-ready lang ako. Bukas Christmas na, oh my God. Ang bilis ng panahon, grabe. Kasi feel ko nga parang last time lang yung nag-Christmas din. Ang bilis-bilis ng panahon, but yeah, mamaya na lang mga beshi. Ayan na yung ating Christmas tree, guys. And of course, andyan pa rin si Clown. But ayan na siya. Hey, puppy! So, madami-dami na tayo. Charot. Madami-dami na tayong bubuksan. Pasensya sa ingay. Hey! Hey! What are you up to today? Hey, bubo. Galing yan siya naglalakad eh. Tapos na akong mag-ready. Yung asawa ko, nagutom ata. Nagluto siya. Nagluto ng breakfast. But ayan yung itsura natin. Yeah, so mamaya na lang, guys. Andito na kami, guys. Aray. Safeway lang kami. Ayun na namin pumunta pa sa malayo. Kaya sa Safeway lang. Ayan, Safeway. Pangit ng weather. Ang ginaw. Ginaw pa more. Are you gonna buy flowers? Are you gonna buy flowers?
Yeah.
That one, no. That looks good. But it's kind of like, it's up to you. How much is that? It looks 20 po.
Yeah.
It's really expensive. Buy a cheaper one. Just get a rose, my love. This one.
Oh, you see these?
Where?
all painted for
Hello. Look at that. Ang cute, guys. Oh. Charing. Just one. Why there's a lot in there? Luduho. So kulang isa, besh. Ito kasi yung ginagamit namin sa payaya. Magpapayaya kami. And guys, nakakita tayo ng isa. Kasi kanina, dalawa yun eh. Isa lang yung kailangan ko. It's cold! Hi! So, ayan guys. Tapos na, except wala kaming nabili na mussels. Kaya pupunta kami ng Sprout siguro. Which is medyo malayo-layo dito. Aray.
What's this?
Oh, that's
your prize?
Yeah, that's my prize. Fries daw. Fries. So, pupunta lang kami dito. Ewan ko kung didiretso ba kami, guys. Or punta muna kami ng bahay para i-drop off yung mga nabili namin. But, yeah. So, gagawa kami ng paella. And then, stroganoff. Chicken stroganoff. Chicken mushroom stroganoff. And then, meron pa akong natira sa spaghetti ko. And then, gagawa din ako ng, oh my God, gagawa din ako ng leche flan. So, yun. And then, bumili rin kami ng red velvet na cake. Coffee muna, besh. Dito kami sa Touch Brothers. Ayan. Himala, walang linya, guys. Kasi, palagi kaya ditong mahaba yung linya. Pero ngayon, wala. Akala nga namin mahaba eh. Kasi, di ba, papasko daw, 24. So, ayan. Order lang muna siya. Coffee. Coffee pa more. Umulan na talaga siya, guys. Umulan. So, next up, Sprout. Bibili lang kami ng mussels. Sana may mussels dun. Pag wala, I thought you're gonna...
I'm gonna show my muscles.
Kung wala, guys, wow, walang muscles yung payaya namin. Ang ginaw pa naman. Animis daw. Here we go, people. Alright. Is that you?
That was me. $4.
Well, they're cheap now.
They are.
Are you gonna buy one? My love, look at this. Why you need that?
What's that?
Why you need that? My God, it's really cold. Where are you gonna put it? Yeah, that's just a waste of money. Oh, katog now, guys. I don't know why you got thing when there's a lot. It's so cold. How are we gonna get? Oh, mussels. Ito na kasi yung iniinom niya, guys. Umiinom na siya ng coconut water. So, yan. Yan lang yung iniinom niya din na brand. Merong isa, pero sa ano yun sa Safeway. Pero yan talaga yung brand na iniinom niya. Gusto ko itong i-try kasi nakita ko to kay Mimi, kay Coffee and Sparkle, na ito yung brand na iniinom niya na collagen. Pero sobrang mahal, besh. 24. Yung malaki, 42. Imigid.
Yeah, I don't think I don't think the case is a great deal after all.
So, tapos na, guys. And, hindi kami nakakita ng fresh mussels. Frozen na yung nakita namin and luto na rin siya. So, ngayon, uuwi na kami. Mag-start na tayong magluto kasi magluluto rin ako ng leche flan mamaya ulit. So, ayan na, besh. Meron na tayong nagawang isa. Ito yung chicken mushroom stroganoff. Ayan. So, ilalagay na lang natin yan siya sa refrigerator para lumamig konti. And then, next, yung gagawin natin ay leche flan. So, sorry sa kalat. Nandyan na yung lanyera ko. And then, naano ko na rin yung egg. So, but, ayan siya. Chicken mushroom stroganoff. Ready na yung caramel, guys. Ayan, dalawa. Yan, gagawin na natin yung ating pang yung egg. Hello, ano yan? And then, ayan, si Mother. Hello, sa.
Hi, hello.
Nag-FaceTime kami, guys. Pasko na dun Set aside lang natin to kasi kailangan mo siyang palamigin para mag-hard yung yung caramel. I'm done, guys. Nakasurvive tayo sa pagluluto. Ayan na. Payaya. So, ayan yung ating payaya. Diba? Christmas na Christmas. So, meron tayong broccoli, merong tomato, merong mussels, merong clams, shrimp, and chicken. Basta yan siya, guys. Tapos meron yung rice. So, ito din yung ating ano tawag nito? Leche flan. So, i-flip ko lang yan siya. But luto na yan siya. So, we have spaghetti. Yung kanina, guys, na niluto ko. And then, vegetable platter. Greek salad. And then, dito, meron tayong red velvet cake. And then, ayan na siya. Sobrang kalat ng bahay. So, ewan ko, guys, kung paano yun siya i-pronounce. Paella, paella, I think paella, paella, or basta P-A-E-L-L-A. So, yun yung spelling niya. Bihis lang ako kasi parang amoy tayo. Yan lang outfit natin, guys. Pack. Ayan. So, ito, nabili ko to sa Forever 21. Pasensya na sa kalat. O, diba? Parang parang may ano lang, parang may tinabunan lang na patay. Ito galing to sa Kmart, yung aking sato, may ano gingerbread, di ba? Alam mo ba guys? Nakalimutan kong lutuin yung egg roll. So, di ba? Eh marami naman kasing pagkain, so hindi na kailangan. Susuotin ko to. Si Santa hat. So, ayan tayo. Not bad.
Good film.
Not bad, guys. Open it. Thank you.
Oh, wow. That is cool.
That's nice.
I didn't expect that. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh yeah, so you put
So
wine.
I just noticed the
The
bicycle.
wheels don't move though.
It's a wine rock.
The
I
wheels.
noticed the bicycle.
What is it, my love?
Is this what this is?
Staring down at it.
Oh wait, is this from you, sweetie?
You're expecting something.
I don't know.
huh?
No, it's this.
What is it? I've even forgot what it is.
What is? It is that. Oh.
What is it?
It's It appears to be a drinking game because I see some shot glasses. I like how all of my presents are alcohol.
Alcohol related. Now wait a minute, that mug is for coffee.
We got shorted. With the best wishes.
Yeah.
And it actually do the little zap.
This is from Sweetie. It says. Ooh, I wonder what this is. All right, thank you, Sweetie.
What kind of card did you get?
It is. It appears to be a Renault.
Like your toy?
How did you know? Oh,
I recycled the bags you gave Kevin and I.
Oh, he likes that one.
It's a mess. For the fall. Cake.
What did you find time to do there?
Hey, Sweetie.
I can do it. Oh, it's a box.
It's gonna be nothing but a box for a while. Yeah. How are you gonna be able to get that thing out of there?
Why Hilton? Wait till I open it here.
Wow, that's quite the thing.
Hello guys! So, today is 25. So, Christmas. Christmas na Christmas. So, Merry Christmas sa lahat. And, kagabi, pagkatapos naming mag-open ng presents, hindi ko na pala kayo nabalikan. So, gusto ko lang magbabay ng proper. Kaya, andito ako ngayon ulit sa harap ng camera. So, yun. And then, gusto ko lang din i-wish ang lahat ng Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. So, sana masaya yung Pasko nyo and then yung ating paparating na New Year din. So, yun. So, ngayon, nakaganito tayo kasi magfi-film ako ng isang video or magfi-film ako ng video na what I got for Christmas. And stay tuned kayo. Yun, hindi ko na papatagalin pa para makapagsimula na ako. And then, siguro para ma-edit ko din yung video at ma-upload para hindi tayo maabutan ng next year, o diba? So, yun lang guys. Gusto ko lang talagang mag-wish sa inyo ng Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. And also, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And see you in my next vlog. Bye! Merry Christmas!